Familiarizing yourself with the child harness for the climbing forest. The harness is your most important safety tool that allows you to safely climb the trees. It is important that you understand a few things about the harness before putting it on. We use a Simba harness for anyone under 88 pounds. This harness will go over your shoulders and around your legs, clipping together in the center with a D-ring. The D-ring on a child harness is most important to keeping your harness together, so this must stay attached at all times. A parent or guardian will want to assist the child as they put on their harness. There are animations on the side of the harness that indicate the outside of the harness, and the inside of these straps are black, which indicates this is the side that goes against your body. The harness will be set on the ground the way it should be to make it easier for children. Steps to putting on the child harness for the climbing forest. With the harness on the ground, put your feet through the leg loops and pull up like you would a pair of pants. Pull the shoulder straps over your shoulders like you would a backpack. Check for any twists in the straps now. They should all lay flat. Begin by pulling the shoulder straps, a little at a time to ensure evenness. Pull back on the black buckle and pull the slack until the gray loops rest just below your breast or sternum. There are black elastics. These are to go around the slack you have pulled to help keep the harness in place. These are important to make sure you have secured the slack on your harness. Next, pull the leg loops tight by pulling back on the black buckle and pulling the slack until comfortable and snug. Take your D-ring, attach it to the gray loops in the center of the harness. To attach the D-ring, pull up on the orange metal piece, twist, and open the gate. Let go and it will relock itself. To check the fit of the child harness for the climbing forest. To check the fit of your shoulder straps, take your hands and try to pull the straps off your shoulders. If they can easily slip off, the harness is not tight enough. Remember, straps should feel snug, but not overly uncomfortable. To check the fit of your leg straps, raise your hands above your head and reach. If there is any discomfort, things may be too tight. Start with loosening the leg straps a little to relieve this. When you reach, the harness should not pull up significantly. If it does, things may be a little too tight. Another way to check the fit of the shoulder straps and leg straps is to bend over and touch your toes. Without discomfort, then your harness should be good. There is no need for gloves for this activity. Please feel free to wear gloves if you would like. You may use our gloves by the door for free or purchase a pair with our cashier before you climb. A staff member will check the fit of your harness now before you head out to the climbing forest, where you will find a staff member in orange to assist you with attaching the belay system.